Welcome to the Northern Forest Canoe Trail Trip Planner tool. This tool can be used on your computer or mobile device to plan adventures along the 740-mile Northern Forest Canoe Trail, America's longest water trail. Here are a few tips on how to use the tool. First off, please sign in to join our monthly e-newsletter, where you will hear about group paddles, events, and trail updates. It is a great way to become a part of the NFCT community. Once you're into the Trip Planner tool, you'll notice that there are several ways that you can zoom into the trail. You can use the scroll wheel on your mouse. You can double click, or you can use the plus and minus keys in the lower right hand section. You notice that at a certain level you lose the 13 rectangles that are over the center line. These rectangles represent the 13 maps that make up the Northern Forest Canoe Trail. These maps are water resistant and they're great to have when you're out on a paddle. And this online trip planner tool pairs very well with them and our guidebook. You can also click on these rectangles to load a specific section of the trail. Anytime that you'd like to be brought to our online store to purchase the paper maps, you can click on Purchase Maps in the top right. Once you've zoomed in past the 13 rectangular map segments, you can start loading features. To do that, go to the vertical menu and click on Add Locations. Here you'll see a lot of different resources that you can add to the map. The top half are focused on businesses and community resources. The bottom half is focused on trail infrastructure. So what I'm going to do is just add a bunch of locations to the map, and I'll show you how you can build your own trip. For more information, click on the icons. Pop-up boxes will open up. If this is a feature that you'd like to add to your trip, just press the Add Trip button. You'll notice that you can get information by clicking on the lines as well. To see the trip that you just built, go back to the vertical menu, click on the My Trip icon, and you'll see all the details that were shown in the pop-up boxes. And you've got the opportunity to remove them if you'd like. If everything looks good and you'd like to get a printout, press the Print Trip button, and then you'll be able to print out all the details, and you can use this alongside your water resistant map when you're out on the water. You can also reset the trip if you want to build a new one. The map section feature allows you to zoom in to particular map sections if you already know where you want to plan your trip. Also, if you're interested in some paddler favorites, we have some preloaded trips. All you need to do is click on the itinerary button. You'll see a few options here. We plan to continually add these, and you can load that specific trip. And you have the same option to print out the details. So as you can see, this is a very robust tool, and we hope it gets you out on the water, enjoying the trail.